This is a Q6 Edge power chair by Pride Mobility. This power chair is probably almost as new as we've ever gotten. I don't know if this chair was ever used. It looks brand new. So the way it looks, it was probably delivered and just sat there. It just came in this week. As you can see, that's sharp looking color. This is a basic power chair, so there's no electric seat, no electric tilt, no electric recline. Just the seat is adjustable manually. You have a lever here. You can adjust the tilt on the seat. The arms are adjustable up and down. They also go out if you need more width. The joystick is on the right. It can be put on the left with no problem. You've got 14-inch wheels over here, non-skid wheels with alloy wheels, mags. You've got caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You've got powerful motors here, 4-pole motors, 4 brushes or 4 poles, heavy-duty motors. To put this chair in neutral, you have a motor for each wheel. So there's one on the opposite side. You just push the lever down, and that takes the wheel into neutral. If you do both sides, then you can push the chair around. You should turn the power off when you do this, because now you can hear the beeping. I'm going to put it back in gear. Now that I've done that, I'm going to have to turn the power off and reset the computer. Now we're back on reset. This chair also has anchor points here. 2 anchor points. They're built into the frame, so they're not going to move. There's 2 on each side, so you have solid anchor points. We've also got great suspension on this chair. You can see if I raise this foot, you can see the suspension in the front. You can see it moving up and down. Heavy-duty suspension on both sides and front. These suspensions are adjustable. There's a ring under here that you can turn to tighten up the suspension. You get your foot plate over here, and it raises up for easy exit. The batteries are here. If you need to change the batteries, there's 2 levers in front. You squeeze them together, pull the front out. You've got 2 batteries in here, and these batteries come out from the front. This chair right here is only about 8 months old. I can tell by the batteries. It says 317. This chair is a March of 2017, so it's only maybe 6-7 months old. When you put the cover back on, put it back on, put your latches back on, and you're ready to go. I'm going to turn the chair around. You've got rear suspension over here also that's adjustable like the front, your rear suspension. You have a safety belt for the chair that's adjustable. You've got all the manuals from the factory back here. So all the manuals on the chair right here from the factory. You've got an adjustable headrest that can be removed. The arms are adjustable by releasing these knobs. You can push them out if you want to. The turning radius on this chair is 20.5 inches, so it's a real good turning radius. It's a mid-wheel drive, so it turns around the middle of the chair. So whatever the length of the chair is what it'll take to turn. So I can do this all day long like this and stay in one spot all day long. When you charge this chair, take your quantum charger, plug it right below your joystick, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. You don't have to worry about overcharging. The charger will recognize when the chair is full, and it'll stop charging automatically. This chair takes 2 batteries, which I showed you earlier. They're Group 22, 55 amp batteries, 55 amp batteries, deep cycle batteries, which will give you about 15 miles on a battery charge depending where you're using the chair. So if you want a good, dependable, great suspension, solid power chair with almost brand new, you should be looking at this one. This chair rides fantastic suspension on it. You can see the suspension going through the grass. The seat is 23 inches off the ground. So from the top of the seat to the ground is 23 inches. So it's set up for a fairly tall person. If this is too tall for you, we can raise the footplate up so it meets your feet. So if you're shorter, we can adjust this footplate. We can raise this footplate about 2 inches higher. But right now this chair is set up for a tall person and it's ready to go. This is Mark with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.